When it comes to new servers or virtual servers, we all have the same trouble. You want to find a way to compare them, especially when you compare how well they did. How do I know which provider has the fastest server and if I have full access to all of the promised resources? How can I tell if the server I built myself is really as fast as it should be? But don't worry, I can help here. There are things like Yabs that can help. This is just another benchmark script for Linux servers. Its name stands for yet another bench script. This script is very easy to run. I will show you how in a minute, and then you can try out some interesting things. First, it shows you what hardware your server is using. Then you can test the hard drive's performance with different read and write tests. Next, it tests the network speed all over the world in different locations for uploading and downloading. Last but not least, it runs a Geekbench test that checks the processor's single core and multi-core performance. Sounds like a lot of work, but all these tests are easy to run with just one line of code. To do this, go to the project's GitHub page. Here you will see again what this can do and how it works, as well as what options you have. Under how to run, you will find the comments you need. You can choose either one because both wget and curl should already be installed on a standard Linux installation. Then just copy one of the two lines, which I do here. With wget, log into your server, paste the comment and press enter. Everything will now be put to the test. Depending on how well the server works, this can take a while. The tests for upload and download speeds take the most time. At last, a Geekbench test will be done and you will be able to look at all your scores. But what does this test tell us now? Up here you can see information about your system, like what kind of processor you have and which of its features are turned on. You can also see how much RAM and hard disk space you have. The hard disk speed test is explained in the second section. There you can see how fast your hard drive can read and write certain block sizes. The NVMe SSD in my test server here is very fast. Then here you can see how fast the network is. You can see different providers that were tested in different places around the world. So you can see how your server or server provider is connected to the internet. Everything you see below is about an IPv6 test. At the end, both the single core speed and the multi-core speed of the CPU were tested. So these are all the results. You can now share the results with the community, for example, and compare them against each other. This can be used to see if the performance of rented servers, especially virtual servers, is the same as what the provider said it would be. You can also use it to compare servers from different companies. You can then use the data to decide which server provider you want to use and how well it works for you. So if you liked this video, you can follow me, give me a like or leave a comment with the server ratings. See you again soon in a new video.